Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the pre-market PulseScan, recorded at 8:12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today is Thursday, December the 8th, 2016. Okay, make this very, very quick. The ECB decided to keep things as is in the overnight markets, and that sent the futures all over the place. Currently, gold futures hit a low of 1173.80. And I'm sorry, 1173.50, and the high is 1180.70. Currently, it's standing at 1176.50. Silver hit a high of 1729 and a low of 1708, and is currently trading at 1718. Oil hit a high in the overnight, $50.42.5, and a low of $49.62.5, and is currently trading at $50.22.5. The NASDAQ is unchanged at 4841.75, and the S&P is unchanged at the 2637 level, and the Dow is up 15 at 19,533. It did, it's just hovering there above positive, up 12 points. So interesting markets right now. We do have some rally alerts to talk about. Gold, the gold complex has rally alerts, so you can definitely watch those. They'll probably be triggered today. I think the gold is going to reverse from this knee-jerk reaction, sell-off, and is going to rally. So you want to watch it. There's a red alert watch for gold futures today. A close above 1180.70 will set the stage for higher prices marching back toward 1200. That is a positive sign for the gold futures. Also, for those of you who got triggered in the overnight in the Australian dollar pair currency forex pair, take note of where the stop loss is in that today and trade accordingly. This one has no negative momentum readings, which is a positive for the long position. Has overhead resistance at $75.28. That's probably the first place you want to look to take profit. And momentum staying on your side should push you back up toward the bottom of the Kumo cloud between 75.80 and 76.07. So those are positive signs to look for there in the Australian dollar pair. Also, take note of some of the newly added securities. I will be doing another update. I'll send out a sheet later on this morning or whatever with the added securities that you guys requested. There's quite a few of them on here. We have over 600 securities now, including individual equities. So just take a look at what's on your sheet. Also, if you can't find the actual tickers that you gave me, do a name search on the sheet to get to what you're looking for. You should, if you don't see it under the advanced tab, look for it under the in play tab. If it's not under either one of those, that means it's not on the sheet, and you have to get at me. Remember, I need the name of the security and the ticker symbol and the exchange that it's on in order to be able to add it. Keep in mind, under the advanced tab, we do have securities from pretty much every exchange all over the planet. All right, so you should be able to see what it is that you requested on there for your region. It doesn't matter if it's the Australian exchange, the Canadian exchange, the German exchange, it doesn't matter, Abu Dhabi, whatever. Whatever you requested is on there because the system works on every exchange in every country, on all securities, stocks, forex, and futures. Does not matter. As long as I can get the data for it, the system will work. All right, and you've seen that already, those of you who are subscribed to the Premium Trading Room. All right, yesterday's webinar, Q&A webinar was a huge success. We will be scheduling another one. Also, the next class that is coming up is going to be on stop losses, trailing positions, knowing when to get in and out. So I will be letting you know when that is scheduled to come out. probably look to do something next week. We'll see. Those of you who are not part of the premium trading room, in order to get into the webinar, you're going to need to sign up for the premium trading room. The premium trading room comes free with your subscription of the weekly post-wave price triggers. So when you sign up and register for the weekly post-wave price triggers, you get the free access to the premium trading room, which also gives you free access to the Academy. That is right. The Academy is free to weekly post-wave subscribers. All right. So that said, that's what we're watching for today. We're watching for the gold complex to catch a nice bounce, a good rally here. We do have some overhead resistance levels that we are watching today. Another one of those price inflection points in the gold futures is going to be 1176.50. That's what you're watching for. We want to see a breakout, a true breakout above that. We want to stay above that. All right, that's what we're looking for. The really serious price inflection point that will really get this market going is going to be at the 1204.60 level. So once we get back above 1200, we want to close above 1204.60. That's a very special price inflection point, because then that is going to help catapult the gold futures out of the Kumo cloud on the weekly chart and get us back on the ramp. And we have very steep up ramps on the weekly chart coming that will really help getting this market back to the 1350 level. And then hopefully, fingers crossed, we can even get there by the end of the year. All right, and be marching toward 1400. So that's what we're watching today. Also, keep a lookout on SVXY. I'm sorry, UVXY. UVXY is getting dangerously close to triggering the rally alert. So if that happens, then you can pretty much take to the bank a correction coming in the stock market. So definitely watch those. I know the trade did not work out this week, and the SQQQ, that one got stopped out, but we're still watching it because guess what? It's still in a positive pulse wave within a bear market. All right, so we can't take our eyes off it. We got to watch it, because the next trigger could definitely be the one to work here. Also, keep your eyes open on the TQQQ. That one also, believe it or not, is negative pulse waving. I know it sounds weird because the NASDAQ broke out above 48 on the future side, but we still have not broken out on the TQQQ. It's still, from an algorithmic perspective, in a bear market. Yes, I know. It's in a bear market, locked in, just like the SQQQ. Now, you go figure that. Yeah, that's right. Look at the sheet. Look at your in-play tab. Look at the sheet. What do you see? You see a 70 reading in the downtrend column for the SQQQ and the TQQQ. And the SQQQ is in a positive pulse wave position. Positive pulse wave. That's right. I said it's pulse waving positive, while the TQQQ is pulse waving negative. I think that the SQQQ is about to be on and popping. I think that we were just probably premature in the first attempted breakout, and now the next one is coming. So that's all I got to say. I am not taking my eyes off of the NASDAQ at all. So have your tickets working and ready in the SQQQ. That's all I got to say. All right, so anyway, remember pulsewavetrading.com, pulsewavetrading.com, where you can sign up for the weekly pulse wave price triggers, and you get free access to the premium trading room, and you get free access to the academy. So remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can, give nothing back. I'll see you fine people in the trading room. Peace.